The Neritic death grip kits are something that is absolutely a necessity if you don't have a grip kit on your polespear. Neritic makes these in a couple different colors. He's got a blue, a pink, a green, and there also is a yellow. We just don't have it in stock at the moment. But some really cool colors. It's really nice and long. With the kit, has this rope in here. So what you do is you wind this rope down on your polespear, slide this grip over top of it, give it a little bit of heat, either with a heat gun, hairdryer, or a lighter. What it does is it shrinks onto that rope and makes this really elegant, nice looking grip onto your polespear so that you're never slipping and missing your fish, right? This is absolutely a must-have for any polespear users that don't currently have a grip, the Neritic Death Grip